Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am going to explore another perfume from Boadicea The Victorious, and the perfume is Empire. So this is the box of the sample I got. So always make sure you try the samples first. So this is Boadicea The Victorious Empire. So let's get started and find out how it actually smells. So here I have the strip, I have written the name over here so I don't mix. Let's find out. There is nothing sprayed over here. So let's make two sprays. It has white florals. They are really, for me, they normally give me headaches. So I should be very careful. I think I'm going to get a headache after this video. Fruity and white floral. This is the start of this perfume. Raspberry kind of fruity. Very sweet, raspberry, fruity, kind of honey feeling to this one. Light honey, not too much, because I also don't like honey perfumes. They are really too sweet for me, I think. Fruity, white florals. Musk or musky in the background, white musk, I think. Right now I'm sensing fruits are a bit more overpowered, and white florals are in the background. Yes, jasmine is also there. Raspberry, jasmine, musk, very fruity, sweet. Some florals, I think maybe some white florals, I'm not sure, but they are really irritating for me at least. I don't sense much woodiness or any kind of right now, because maybe it is in the dry down. Sweet, fruity, fruitiness, like if I would rate it, I think it is 60% fruity, 40% kind of white florals, where we have jasmine and few other flowers mixed to it. They have listed magnolia, gardenia, those florals. I haven't sniffed these flowers, but I sense that I really can pick jasmine, but others are, I'm not sure, but really punchy florals. So if you like white florals kind of perfumes that are fruity, and I think this is clearly for women, and make sure your men really like these kind of perfumes, because I really get headaches from this one. I really don't like my wife or anyone wearing this perfume and coming closer to me. I actually remember an incident. I was traveling in airplane, and one of the air hostess, she was a very beautiful, pretty woman, maybe in her 30s, and she was wearing Lancome perfume, I think, some Lancome perfume that was really, you can say, had very punchy florals and very powdery. And you can see the aeroplane, they have limited space, and in that congested space, whenever she come closer to me or passes by me, I actually covered my nose like this, because I was getting a headache. And I think if you are if you have a profession like this one, where you meet a lot of people, like you are a nurse or a doctor, or you actually are an air hostess in airplanes and you have to serve a lot of people, make sure you wear a perfume that is really nice, very light and very close to your body. If it is, you can say, giving other people headaches, then this is not a perfume for you. So this is the review from Empire, and I actually remembered what I had an incident where she was wearing some Lancome perfume, woman perfume, that was really powdery and very floral, and whenever she passes through me, I was I always prayed that she didn't come near me. So this is my story. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. This is my review about Empire from Boadicea the Victorious. Till then, take care. Bye bye.